One important consideration regarding the assembly of fuel tanks is that if we assemble all of the ancillary bought out items onto the fuel tank and then do a final pressure decay test, there is confidence that that fuel tank can be fitted straight to the vehicle on your production line. Any sub-assembly that you do yourselves would mean then that you would need to test that tank in terms of its integrity. So a big advantage we've found from experience is doing the assembly on site ourselves, finished by a final pressure decay test. We can assemble everything from the drain plug to the rollover valve to the feed and supply pipes to the filler neck to the sender unit and anything else. An important element of the design input can be to consider whether we manufacture certain features into the product or to put them in as a post-operation, because it can have a significant impact on tooling investment. But in any event, to create the most cost-effective solution, there will be numerous opportunities where our input will be invaluable based on design over 35 years.